Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a limit order right here on NinjaTrader. So if you want to do this, we go right here to new and then select the chart, and then let's do a chart right here that we already used, this one, then we do OK. And then right now we throw the chart to here, and now you see right here the chart. And most of the time what you can do is click right here and then chart trader, and then you can create yourselves an order right here on the chart. But what I'm going to show you now is if you go to new and select right here order ticket, you see this option right here. And if you want to create a limit order, it's simply standing already on limit order, because at order type, we can click right here on limit. Then you can fill in right here the limit price. So let's say the limit price will be something at 6,700, that is fine. And then select right here the quantity, select right here your account, and then you click right here on buy. And now we created ourselves a nice limit buy, if you can see right here on the chart, of $6,700. So this is how you can place a limit order on NinjaTrader. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.